We're here in downtown Wellen Park, standing in the exact same spot as we were almost exactly a year ago today, and a lot has changed. Let's take a walking tour and see what's different.
Of course, Foxtail Coffee is still here, but the view has changed a bit.
As you can see, Grand Lake is still looking the exact same as it always has, and pretty much everything else on this side is everything that everyone knows and loves about Wellen Park. If you haven't seen our original Downtown Wellen walking video, check the description and we'll put that video down there. It's a great video and it really gives you a full picture of everything Wellen has to offer. Keep in mind, we are still in the early years of Wellen Park development, so what you see now is definitely not what you're gonna get when all is said and done. We got tons more dining, shopping, everything you can imagine, schools, you name it, coming in the next 3, 5, 10 plus years.